Welcome to the channel RIK Learner for KCET NEET. The question is, consider three blocks A, B and C. Block A is placed on block B, which is placed on block C, and block C is placed on the ground. Normal reaction between blocks B and C is 3 times that between blocks A and B. Normal reaction between block C and ground is 2 times that between blocks B and C. Possible values of the masses of blocks A, B, and C respectively are. Here is the corresponding picture, and now some clue has been given to us. That is normal reaction between blocks B and C, right? So blocks B and C is 3 times that between blocks A and B. So what I can write? So normal reaction between B and C is 3 times the normal reaction between A and B. So this is one thing. And one more thing we are given with, that is here normal reaction between C and ground, which is here, right? So is 2 times that between blocks B and C, right? So 2 times between blocks B and C. So C and ground, okay, is equals 2 times that between normal reaction NBC. So now we have to do further. What I have to think is I have to explain something here. So we are having three blocks in contact kept on horizontal ground, and let me explain the picture. See, here is block A and block B is here, and the normal reaction between these two is what? So that to be found first. Weight of A will act on B, right? So at this point, so I say weight of A is acting on a B like this. It is MA into G. So this will, that means block B will react on A upwards. So that reaction is said NAB, normal reaction on A due to B, that is equal to magnitude of this weight. Okay, so this is one thing. And secondly, we are having the contact force between B and C. For that I need these three blocks. Okay, so now at this point of contact we have to think about here, right? So weight of A and B collectively act on C, so that is MA plus MB into G, that will act. So the reaction force on B due to C is exactly equal to this much. So normal reaction on B due to C is equals the magnitude of MA plus MB into G. And finally we have to think over the last one. Here is block A and block B here. So finally block C. So block C is kept over ground. So the normal reaction between ground and the block C to be found at this point. So what is going to happen? Weight of all the blocks will act on ground. So that is the sum of these masses multiplied by G. And the normal reaction on C due to ground is like this. Okay, so this is equal to the magnitude of MA plus MB plus MC multiplied by G. So this is the situation. So now what we are given with? We are given with this thing, right? So NBC is 3 times NAB. So I write it here. So NBC is 3 times NAB. So now what is NBC? So NBC is here, right? So NBC is MA plus MB into G. Okay, so this is MA plus MB into G, that is 3 times NAB. NAB is simply MAG. So the term G get cancelled. So finally what I left with, it is MA plus MB is equals 3 MA. So definitely MB is equal to 2 times MA. This is one condition what I must search for. The second one, NC ground is 2 times NBC, right? So NC ground is equal to 2 times NBC. So what is NC ground? NC ground is sum of all masses multiplied by G. So sum of all masses multiplied by G, which is equals 2 times NBC, not actually NBC. So NBC is sum of A, masses of A and B and multiplied by G. The sum of masses of A and B multiplied by G. Here also the term G get cancelled. So further what I get? I get sum of all masses here, MA plus MB plus MC, which is equals 2 times MA plus 2 times MB. So further what I can write? So when I bring MA and MC to the right hand side, I see MA and MB to the right hand side, I get MC is equal to simply the sum of MA and MB. So this is my second condition. Okay, so be careful, MB must be 2 times MA and MC is sum of MA plus MB. So when I search these things here in the option, so now look into the option A. The first term is MA, second term is MB, and this is MC. So from our condition, what we got here is MB is 2 times MA, right? So MB must be 2 times MA. So MB must be 2 times MA. This is wrong, right? So MB is here not equal to 2 times, right? Not equal to 2 times MA. So I can avoid this option. And here it is MA and this is MB, this is MC as it is. Here this is true, right? So MB is 10 kg, right? So this is MB and this is MA, right? So MB is definitely equal to 2 times MA. This is true. And what about other condition? It is MC must be is equals MB plus MA. Okay, so MC is equals MA plus MB. MC is this one. So MC must be is equals what? This one and this one. It is 10 plus 5, right? So it is true. So MA plus MB is also true. So that means this option is correct. Once we check this one, definitely it is MA and this is MB. So MB is 2 times MA. That is correct. But here it is said 30, right? It is MC. But MC is not equal to MA plus MB, right? So this option is wrong. And finally, when you check this one, this is MA and this is MB. Of course, it is MC. But here also MB is not equal to 2 times MA. So then this option is also wrong. So only one correct choice is option